Hey, welcome back. Are you ready to learn more about sliding vowels with me? Mia, are you okay? Did you get hurt? Well, then why did you say ow? Ow is a sliding vowel? This is awesome! Okay, Mia's okay, and we have a sliding vowel to research. Ow! Today, let's learn about the sliding vowel, ow, and how to read it in words. Let's learn about the sliding vowel, ow, with a computer program called the Sound Lab. Ow. Ow. Cool! It's showing us what the sound looks like inside our mouths. First, your mouth starts to open like when you say ah. Then your tongue slides up and your lips get closer together, like when you say Put those two sounds together and you get ow. Let's try it together. First say ah. Ah. See how your mouth is wide open and your tongue is low? Ah. Now say This time your mouth is almost closed and your tongue is high in the back of your mouth. Now let's put the sounds together nice and slow. Ah. Ow. Great! Now say it a little faster. Ow. Okay, so we know that the sliding vowel sound is ow, but how do we spell it? There are two buttons here. I wonder what that means. Let's click on one. It's a word list. Get your guided notes ready and circle the letters that make the sliding vowel sound ow in these words.
Shout, cloud, mouth.
What letters did you circle? If you circled OU, you spotted the ow sound.
Remember, use letters OU when the ow sound is in the middle of the syllable.
Can you think of another word that might use OU to say ow? Pause to add it to your guided notes. Awesome! I thought of proud. Okay, to leave this page, I need to pick the word that uses OU to spell ow. Can you help me? Look at each word and circle the right one in your guided notes. Did you say loud? Yeah. OU is used to spell ow in the middle of the syllable, so loud is the correct answer. Now we know we use OU in the middle of a syllable. Let's click the next button to see how else we can spell ow. Here's another list. Get your guided notes ready and circle the letters that make the sliding vowel sound ow.
Cow, crown, growl.
What letters did you circle this time? All of these words use the letters OW to spell the ow sound.
Use OW when ow is at the end of a syllable, like in cow, or before an N or L, like in crown or growl.
Can you think of another word that might use OW to say ow? Pause to add it to your guided notes. I thought of brown. To leave this page, we need to choose the word that correctly uses OW to spell ow. Which one do you think it is? Circle the answer in your guided notes. Did you pick frown? Yes! OW is used to spell ow before the letter N, so that is the correct answer. Ready for a challenge?
To complete the sound lab for ow, select the correct spelling for this word. However,
What do you think? Does however use OW or OU to spell the ow sound? Circle your answer in your guided notes. Did you circle OW? That's right. The ow sound is at the end of the first syllable, how. That means we need to use the OW spelling.
sound lab complete.
Now you know the ow sliding vowel sound and the two ways to spell it. OU in the middle of a syllable and OW at the end of a syllable. But I wonder, are there other sliding vowels out there? We'll have to keep exploring the sound lab next time to find out. For now, keep practicing ow using the activities that go along with this lesson. I'll see you soon. Remember, stay clever and keep reading.
Hey, hey.